Control number 44996, please introduce yourself.
A pleasant day, sir, ma'am. I'm Giselle Bohol, 25 years old, turning 26, single. I have one brother, two sisters, and I am second to the eldest.
What is your educational attainment?
I graduated BS Entrepreneurship in Quezon City University.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to work at Hong Kong due to new experience of culture and new experience of work.
Have you been to go to a country before as an OFW? Where? What kind of your work you had?
I do work in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper and particularly caregiver taking care of a diabetic 7-year-old kid.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person? What can you do for elderly?
I don't have experience of taking care of older person, but I'm willing to take it.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children? What can you do for babies?
Yes, I do have. I'm taking care of 2-year-old baby. I do bathing, changing diaper, taking care, cooking for food.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I do monitoring children, tutoring, helping their assignments.
Can you cook? What foreign dishes can cook?
I do learn Arabic food just like biryani, bamia, and others. But I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Describe yourself as a housemate. What are your characteristics that your employer will like you?
I'm an optimistic person. I'm taking the bright side so that I have an positive outcome.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I do listen first to what mistake I do have, then I apologize.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me like their own child, like their family member.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
If I'm gonna choose as your domestic helper, I'm gonna do all the tasks that you're given to me. And I promise to finish my 2-year contract and more than that. Thank you.